today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a pastel drawing from a photo using ChatGPT. I'm gonna start by looking through a stock image website for the perfect photo for this tutorial, and you can use your own photo as well. I found a photo and I'm gonna make sure I download the highest quality. You wanna open ChatGPT and import your image. Next, you're gonna need to fill in a suitable prompt, and I'll have it written down in the description where you can use it to create your own pastel drawing from your photo. ChatGPT has done a great job, however, there are visible misalignment and distortions around the edges of the pastel image, and we need to fix that. In order to improve the quality of the image, I'm gonna use Affinity Photo. I'm gonna use object removal and cloning tools for the job, such as the in-painting tool and the clone tool. Sometimes AI does not get you everything in perfect condition, so you might need to use a little bit of skills to undo any errors you may find. The image may not be perfect and minor imperfections might be visible, but that's acceptable since this video focuses on creating a pastel style image from a real photo, not on object removal. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please put a like and subscribe to my channel.